couple years ago I got this quad for my daughter. Got a good deal on it because it's beat up and it needed a new sprocket. Well, they welded everything together, so I had to cut the axle. And we're going to put it together the way I think I can. What do you say? Meow. Meow. Here at the Knuckle Buster Garage, we like to learn you something. I'm going to show you how to weld. You're going to get yourself a nice little setup like this. It's a, fair setup. Good, cheap price. Not bad. It hooks up to the gas. You open this lid right here. It gives you the instructions on how to weld. Basically, yeah, see that? That's how you weld, okay? Don't be afraid. I think the worst part of welding is loading up that wire stuff, whatever, the stuff that sticks the metal together. I don't know, dude. I'm not a welder. All right, then. You go on YouTube, you pretty much learn anything. I don't know. Try it out someday. Oh yeah. Just remember, there's two types of people in this world. There's welders and there's grinders. Just remember though, there might be social apps for welders, but they're not social app for grinders, unless you swing that way. But I know welders that swing that way too. But anyways, what I'm saying here is just because you're a grinder doesn't mean you're gay. All right. What the? How did I didn't even know I could do that. But you know what? I did it. But I'm still going to put a sleeve on it. I ain't no professional, but this little galvanized stuff, man, when it smokes, it makes you woozy, dude. I like it. I'm just kidding. My brain cells are dead. Alright, then. Remember, just a grinder and some paint will make you the welder you ain't. Alright then. What do you think of my work, Mr. Spider? Oh, thank you. Let's see how it rolls. He wants to go for a ride. Huh. Looks straight. Well, it ain't bad then. I'll tell you that. Shit. Yeah, I don't have the bolts for that, so I will do that on another day, but it seems to be, it's gonna be just fine. It's a kid's quad. Come on now. She ain't gonna be doing 100 yet. When you get done with your, fine welding job, you realize the sprocket's on backwards. Shit. You know what? That's I feel comfortable at 100 miles per hour.